Today we are going to visit a very special place in Austria, the Hintertux Glacier. It's known for being one of the few ski areas in the world open year-round, and in Austria it's the only one. The fastest and most flexible way to reach it from Innsbruck is by car, although public transport options are also available.
We came to a very special place today. It's Hintertuxer Glacier. It should be a pretty unique place where you can ski or snowboard the year round. But we're doing a very special thing today because it's my dad's birthday. It was like a couple of days ago. And we booked like a very unique experience. That's why I'm very excited to see and to film and to share. So stay tuned.
The prices for gondola rides vary depending on which station you want to go to. We reached our station from where our planned activity started. We booked a special gondola ride combined with a food experience at Hintertux Glacier. This lets you enjoy regional Tirolean snacks, drinks and ambience while riding up and down in a private gondola. There are related experiences like breakfast in the gondola, which takes place earlier in the day. Each gondola accommodates a maximum of 4 people, so basically only one such ride is available per day. If you want to book a similar experience, it's better to do this in advance. I'll leave you a link in the description. Also bring warm clothes even in summer, because the glacier's altitude also means colder temperatures and wind. Keep in mind that reserving this food experience doesn't automatically include gondola tickets to the starting point. These must be purchased separately. few fun facts about the glacier itself. It reaches about 3,250 meters above sea level at its highest lift-accessible point. The glacier's ice is up to roughly 120 meters thick at its deepest point. Its length is about 4 kilometers, though this changes year to year. For example, it can shift by up to 40 meters due to glacier movement. In total, there are around 190 million cubic meters of ice. In winter, the area offers a large variety of ski runs for different skill levels. When not skiing, Hintertux still has plenty to offer. Skiing, glacier tours, viewing platforms, caves, and a feature called Nature's Ice Palace. In summer and fall, there are plenty of hiking options, from gentle walks along the valley to more demanding alpine trails that lead up toward the glacier. Around the middle stations, you'll also find family-friendly paths with themed roads for children. Higher up, there are guided tours on the glacier itself. Along the way, you can even spot waterfalls. Even if you don't like hiking far, taking the gondola up to the panoramic terrace gives you wide views across the Alps. Overall, it was a very pleasant experience. If you're looking for something unique, definitely check out the food experience in the gondola. And if you're generally exploring hiking or skiing locations in Austria, this one is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.